Good day, guys and girls. So today what we're doing is we're getting prepped for installing hardwood, and this process is the same for installing new carpet, laminate floor, vinyl plank, any kind of flooring really, ceramic tile. We need to get everything prepped up and ready so that we can get this installation process done. So in modern construction, what's typical, at least in Ontario and Canada, is that the subfloor goes down, it's glued down, it's nailed, and then the good builders will come back and they'll screw it off after. This house was built in 1979, and all they did was nail the floors down. So nailing the floors is good, it's just over time, with all the traffic on the floor, it tends to loosen up. Hear that really well, but so there's a joint there and the nails have just let up enough that it's causing them to actually I can see it moving, I just don't know if the camera's picking it up. So what we've done is we've gone and we've screwed the floor off, and right at this point right here, at this joint, there's actually a transition with the floor joist. So you have a floor joist that's right here. You also have a floor joist that's right here. The beam's sitting in the middle. So we've screwed past, and then screwed between every nail just to fasten everything down. And now we're ready to screw down this joint and show you how that's done. So to screw down the floor, there's a couple methods. You can always go by hand, which is obviously just a drill, simple drill, or you can actually go with, this product happens to be made by Senko, and it has a collated screw strip on there, and it actually automatically feeds the screws for you. There's another product out there by Simpson. It's called Quick Drive, and it's more available. The drill itself is also, I think, about $150 more, and the screws are quite a bit more expensive too. I think they're double or more. And what those screws don't have is this. So you've got your coarse thread on the bottom, but you've actually got a little bit of fine thread right up at the top. See that? So this screws down into the joist, this screws into the subfloor, and it just tightens everything down. So we're going to show you how that's done. So if you want to, like I said, you can go by hand. And sometimes that's good when you're getting closer to walls, or you have some kind of obstruction in the way and you can't actually get in there. Some people like to do it on the joints too, because it can be difficult to screw the floor down with the screw gun, the flooring gun, because it has to be in the exact spot. Already starting to see what the problem is. The problem is that this joint right here, the joist is actually more to this side than it is to this side. So what we're going to do, if you can't get these screws out, what you can do is you can wedge either your fingernail under, or a screwdriver is a better choice, just to get that to come up. But that's exactly what the problem is here, is that the joist was more to this side than this side, and these nails are probably not grabbing a lot. So we'll put the screws in at a good angle. Everything's grabbing nice now. So that was part of the problem with the original installation. Now for whatever reason the joist is not going very far past this joint. Which is why this screw missed here. So we've got everything fastened down now. Let's just do the test again. That's just the hollowness of the floor now. So everything's secure now. Now we can move forward with whatever kind of floor install we want to do. We know that we're going to have not a squeak-free floor. There is inherent squeaks with subfloors. You always get one at the tongue and groove, especially if you get some moisture or dirt down in there, but at least this way we're going to have limited squeaks on this floor. I hope you found the video informative. If you did, think about giving me a thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. Tell me why down in the comments. Think about hitting subscribe over there. Posting new videos all the time. It could be maintenance around the house, could be yard maintenance, could be something to do with the car. You never know. Just something that might help you guys out. Till the next video, take her easy.